It's 94.7 FM, Blair Radio. Our local guest segments brought to us by Turnkey Nerds, 402-426-NERD, and our nonprofit news brought to us by RVR Bank. Today, again, we get to talk with our friends over at Three Rivers Public Health. You love coming in now, don't you?
I'm a regular.
You're a regular. Now, you come every Monday to work in the Blair office.
Yep.
So are we going to consistently see you? Because
I think so.
That's kind of you are the liaison here today.
Yeah, I've been here every week. So.
Yeah, so old hat. But again, as we see rainy days, the temperatures are changing. We're getting into a holiday season.
Yes.
There are specific things that you just kind of really want to talk about, isn't there?
Yeah, I mean, sickness this time of year is, like you said, the cold weather is coming. We have rain. We have snow coming. We just really want to focus on sickness is really going to be coming around. Whooping cough is on the rise right now, especially in the Douglas and our counties that we serve, so Washington, Dodge, and Saunders. So definitely keep an eye out for that. Stay home if you're sick. Don't go to school. Get your flu shot and your COVID shots.
So it's too early to tell whether the flu shot is being very effective, or is that something that's coming out that you can kind of get some stats on?
I mean, I would say it's pretty effective. I got my flu shot pretty early on, and I've been nothing but healthy. But, I mean, with all the sickness going through, I mean, you could just be sick with it. And
Right.
Yeah.
Right. You just don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
Now, other preemptive things to be able to do, washing hands and things like that.
Yeah.
So to be able to try to avoid getting sick, but, 100%, it's hard to do that, isn't it?
Yeah. With being at work and being in the school systems, being around people all the time, I mean, it's something that it's hard to avoid, but we're just trying to help you take the precautions that you can and stay healthy.
Right. And then in the next week and a half or so, Thanksgiving. So family gatherings are starting now.
Yeah.
Getting into the holiday season. So people coming from all across the country into your home, or you're going into their homes.
Yeah. Which
so that's
doesn't
another thing.
help the whole situation. But like we said, just wash your hands. I mean, if you're feeling sick, maybe try to avoid those group gatherings. Don't go to school. Don't go to work. Take the time that you need to stay away from others to just try to get healthier.
Right.
But I mean, just do what you need to do.
Do you think after 2020 we've kind of learned that if you are sick, you can stay home? It's okay? Because there's a lot of time, for a long time, everybody's like, oh, nobody can, I still have to work because I'm sick.
I mean, I'm hoping more workplaces and like the school system is more lenient on that. Like if you are sick, please do stay home. I know that Three Rivers is very lenient on that. If you are sick, like we encourage you not to come into work just because we want the better health and safety for all of our employees and our clients that come in. But.
So we have cold and flu season, and then you mentioned something else is on the rise.
Whooping cough.
Whooping cough.
Yes.
And who is that specifically affecting, or is that just anybody can kind of get it?
We have seen it a lot in our school systems. That's where I've heard. We have a disease surveillance worker at Three Rivers, and she has really noticed it in the school system. That's all I've heard, but yeah, it's very prevalent right now. So.
And so, again, it's another thing. Keep an eye on the kiddos.
Yes.
If they are showing signs, perhaps it is time to be able to, it's not convenient because obviously you have to make arrangements or you can't go to work or something like that.
Yeah.
But,
and the sports seasons, I know there was just state volleyball.
Yeah.
It sucks to stay home, but I mean, you just need to do what you need to do.
Right, right. So again, if you have any questions, obviously Three Rivers Public Health has all the information there. Yep. You have the ability to administer the vaccines, right?
Yeah. Yep, you can call and make an appointment. We do accept walk-ins, but of course, if you make an appointment, you're kind of first priority. But we will get to you if you want to walk in and do that, but we can do flu and COVID shots.
And is that available in Blair, the office of Blair yet, or not yet?
Thursdays, we can do that. We have a nurse.
Okay.
Today, it's just me. So
just you.
Yeah, and I'm not a nurse by any means.
You don't want to be giving people the vaccines then?
No.
Or people don't want you to be giving the vaccines either.
They don't want me to.
Okay.
But Thursdays, we can do that in Blair. We're in Wahoo every Monday and then any day in Fremont. So.
Any day in Fremont, Mondays in Wahoo, and Thursdays here in Blair. Okay. And then you mentioned just one more thing.
Yes.
It's not that you guys are experts on on it, but it is something that could affect people that go shopping, especially this time of year. You're making pot roast or things like that.
Chicken noodle soup.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And it's if you are looking at that organic label in specific, is it?
Yes. Do not eat any recalled bagged organic carrots because they have been seen to have E. coli in them.
Okay.
As of yesterday. So just think of your chicken noodle soup, your pot roast, like you said. Mm-hmm. Try to avoid the carrots, but I'm sure there'll be more information.
And this is, at this point in time, specific to organic.
Yes.
Okay.
That's what it says.
Yeah, so it's okay. And then you can find information on your guys' website about that?
Yeah, or the CDC.
Okay.
Yep.
So again, it's one of those things. Be careful.
Yep.
Always read what's going on around, or actually turn over to the Three Rivers Public Health website. So whenever something like that comes up, you make sure you post it out there.
Oh yeah, we post it on our Facebook. Probably not necessarily on our website, but Facebook, we definitely keep the public updated on the CDC guidelines, like E. coli that's going around, the whooping cough. We'll keep you updated.
So just go to Facebook and search Three Rivers Public Health and follow, and make sure you get all the alerts that happen there.
Yes.
Okay, so again, try and keep everybody healthy and be able to have a happy, safe, and great gatherings coming into the holiday season, right?
Yeah, for sure.
All right. Well, thank you for coming in and giving us the reminders of what's going on, what's coming up, and those weird things that happen once in a while, too.
I know.
So thank you.
Yep. Thank you.